I love Riordan because they expose me to people who come from hard backgrounds like myself, and it just lets me know, like, if they made it, I can make it too. My life has changed tremendously through the Riordan program. I've networked with a lot of people. I've learned so much about being a businesswoman. Just to have these women be powerful and made it out of their circumstances and situations has helped me, because now I can follow their footsteps and go after my dreams. And they just introduced me to so many people. We talk to people who start nonprofits, people who do real estate, just different people in power, different people who have careers that make them happy. They just teach us their secrets about how they made it to be successful. I just want to help people because we live in a world where so many people are broken. Mainly, I want to encourage and inspire people through words. They say my dreams are illegal in the ghetto. They say culture and poetry don't exist in my head, that I am dumb, poor, and unfed. I want to be a brain surgeon, but instead you criticize me because I got color in my skin. And if that's true, what would you say if I told you my dreams were hater-proof? See, I know you're mad because I speak the truth. I can't be beaten. I make grown men shiver when I speak. And I'm way too smart to be deceived. You can dress your lies up in suit ties, but they will not be received. And my dreams, they are bigger than anything you can think. They are bigger than the lies you tell about my skin. They are bigger than the stereotypical box you try to place me in. You can put my people in chains, but you can never take our knowledge away. You can never shackle and chain my brain. They say my dreams are illegal in the ghetto. I want to be a brain surgeon, but you criticize me because I'm black. But I will prove you wrong with every word said, and that's a fact. That's it.